Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Youb French toast. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 1 cup of Youb jam, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of milk. Also, prepare 4 slices of thick bread, like brioche or challah. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and some butter or oil for cooking. These simple items are the foundation for a truly delightful breakfast. Now, let's create that vibrant Youb batter. In a shallow dish, whisk together your 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract until well combined. Then, gently fold in the 1 cup of Youb jam. Mix until the batter is smooth and beautifully purple, ensuring all ingredients are fully incorporated for that perfect Youb flavor. This step is key for a delicious result. With your Youb batter ready, it's time to cook. Dip each of your 4 bread slices into the batter, ensuring both sides are thoroughly coated. Next, heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat, adding a pat of butter or a drizzle of oil. Cook each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color. Keep an eye on the heat to prevent burning and ensure even cooking. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious Youb French toast. Serve it warm, right off the griddle. You can elevate this treat with various garnishes. Try fresh berries, a dusting of powdered sugar, or a generous drizzle of maple syrup. For an extra special touch, add a dollop of whipped cream. This unique and flavorful breakfast is perfect for any morning, offering a delightful twist on a classic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.